Hello, I'm Dr. Leon Koziol, welcoming you back to the Founding Fathers March on Washington. Scheduled to occur on April 20th, 2012, it's designed to secure long overdue reform in our domestic relations courts. Here in Albany, New York, our state's capital, you see behind me the High Court of our state. It's called the Court of Appeals. And in this court, we're very concerned that justice and reform, through its administrative judge, be achieved. Unfortunately, I've just left that building and the clerk's office that is located inside to discover a large picture of former Chief Judge of this court, Sol Wachtler. Many of you may not know, but Sol Wachtler was not just the Chief Judge presiding over this court during the 90s, but he was also convicted of some very serious crimes. You see, he stalked a debutante down in New York City and sent some pretty disgusting material to her minor daughter. Ultimately convicted and doing time in prison, he's now, as I understand it, teaching ethics, if you can believe that. I think it should be very disconcerting for the taxpayers and the people of this state to have advertised there not only the former convicted chief judge, but also on a particular picture that advertises him as a candidate on the Republican line for judgeship. So we have both politics and a criminal being advertised here in our high court, and it begs the person to wonder how we can get justice and principle achieved if this is what we honor. I think if a person out there who was a convicted child molester or rapist or other criminal, we would not be advertising and promoting them here in our public halls of justice. So it's something I share with you today here in Albany. I ask you to join us because reform is long overdue, and we need to start in our state's highest courts, all of our states down in Washington. Thank you for your time.